Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Pop 10 AI, and I'm going to be explaining this in full depth. As you know, this is a Tecno Pop 10 and this phone came with an inbuilt AI, as you see, the Techno AI, which is called Ella. And if you open the AI page here, you get Ella voice assist as an AI. You also get document assist, and you also get writing assist. So if I click on Ella voice assist, there I can choose Ella to be my voice assist or Gemini, but I'm going to choose Ella. And you also get the document assist plus the writing assist. And the Ella voice assist works sort of Gemini, as you're going to ask it a question and it will be able to answer, or you give it a certain task, you like do this and it will be able to do it. You'll be able to say maybe like describe this photo for me, and it will be able to give you keynotes in a photo. Or if you have some answers you need, you take a photo of something, it will be able to give you answers of a certain question. And that's kind of basic. And also you get you also get the document assist and write assist, but you don't get the AI Garale. As you know, you get the features where you can erase a photo or extend a photo in your Garale. As you know, the Tecno Spark 40 has that feature, the Garale AI generator, where you can like generate photos, and they missed out on giving this phone the AI wallpaper generator. That's a good touch. And if you have a Tecno Spark 40, try out the Techno AI or wallpaper generator. It's the best AI feature on a Tecno Spark 40 currently. As I tested the Tecno Spark 40, it was the best feature. And here on the Tecno Pop 10, those are the AI features you get. And rather than that, you get the usual stuff, Android 15, and you get only those three options, as this is a very budget phone. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.